Aries. As requested, this is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of November. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aries? Happy Halloween sa lahat, alright? Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of November. Let's see collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Collective energy ng ating mga Aries. This is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading. Collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective reading for the month of November. Collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Toxicity na paulit-ulit. Collective energy ng ating mga Aries. Let's see, ang nag-iisang account na Mystic Siren ay kay Angeles 11. Any account na magme-message sa inyo other than Mystic Siren, hindi po ako yun. Aries. Woo! Burden. Paulit-ulit na burden. Bakit hindi matapos-tapos? There's a masculine in this connection na natapos na ang kanyang burden. Okay? Kumbaga, kung ano man tong nalagpasan na pagsubok na karma ng masculine, no? Sa buhay ng ating mga Aries, it's because of like, napagbayaran na niya, gumawa siya ng tama, but right now, I feel, no? Like, iba-iba. Merong tapos na, nagawa na niya yung tama, napagbayaran na niya to. For some of you, ay may pinagdadaanan siya at pinagbabayaran niya, and this masculine is trying to make the best decision na alam niya. Okay? Maraming instability, you don't know na parang, next month, paano na naman tong bills, yung credit card, whatever. You're trying to balance work, family, kung may anak, okay? Basta para sa'yo, dapat maayos, happy lang, okay? Pera, trabaho. Napapagod na ang ating mga Aries, but sabi mo, kung ano man din yung minamanifest mo, tahimik ka lang. May mga bagay na sabi mong kailangan mo ng bitiwan and ayaw mo na lang yung pag-usapan, basta magde-detach ka na lang if you feel na ang bigat ng energy or parang hindi na healthy for you to continue na makipag, rubbing elbows with this connections, okay? Kumbaga, this is like a purging energy na may mga connections, situation sa buhay mo na sabi mo kailangan mo ng bitiwan, okay? At hindi healthy na kasama moving forward. May mga pangako na hinihintay ang ating feminine. Hinihintay niya love offer, work offer, anything na the feminine would feel na wish fulfillment niya. Kung ano man yung pinagdadasal niya, she feels na bakit hindi pa dumarating ang kanyang mga dasal, okay? Pero kumbaga sabi ng feminine, kapit lang, okay? She's very optimistic na kung ano yung gustong-gusto niyang mangyari, yung pangarap niya, wish fulfillment niya darating, okay? Marami nang natutunan sa buhay ang ating mga Aries, but sabi mo ay focus ka ngayon sa kabuhayan, kaperahan, pamilya, magkaroon ng mas malaking income, makatulong sa family, magkaroon ng additional source of income, negosyo, racket, kung ano man. Okay? May mga dishonest energy pagdating sa pamilya na parang hindi madaling i-fix. That it feels like parang you feel defeated. Na parang pwedeng it is what it is. Baka yung hinihintay mong wish fulfillment ay baka hindi na dumating. Okay? You're trying to build on something, pero syempre, yung harvest time na maaari nating makuha ay depende rin sa effort natin. Isa yon. Pangalawa, minsan hindi naman talaga, it's a not yet. Okay? Sabi ni universe, sabi ni God, wait lang, hindi pa handa. Okay? May mga trust issues sa relationship, third party, mga nangingialam, chismosa, or hindi tamang company para sa'yo. Itong connection mo, paulit-ulit na may energy of betrayal, may energy of toxicity, pride, and ego, and parang naisip mo na parang wag na nga, tumahimik ka na lang at mag-observe for now. Okay? For mental clarity and stronger connection with your intuition, the purple crystal, amethyst. Okay? For protection, Madagascar black tourmaline, or the evil eye bracelet. Okay? If you're manifesting abundance, Brazilian citrine, the yellow and happy crystal. For harmony, to heal your emotions, your heart chakra, to balance your heart chakra, Madagascar rose quartz, the pink crystal. Lahat ng crystals natin, authentic, cleansed, and blessed by enlightened guide. Okie dokie. So, sabi ng masculine sa connection na to, perspective niya. Okay? Parang may bias eh. Perspective niya, ginawa niya yung alam niyang best for this connection para maging maayos, para maging stable, para maging chill. But merong sabihin nating distorted view and definition of love ang masculine, na hindi siya aware na nagiging toxic siya, na hindi siya aware na may immaturity, okay, sa actions niya. And this masculine is not ready for like totoong commitment, totoong like involvement sa relationship. This is not just about makapagbigay ka ng sustento, okay na. This is like also building emotional connection, pag-aalaga sa feminine. But it feels like kung ano yung nakalakihan or kung ano yung iniisip na masculine na alam niyang eto na yun eh. Yun na yun. Parang ang hirap niyang pagsabihan na there's like a better way of doing things. Okay? You might be dealing with a Taurus, Scorpio, Libra. Okay. So, recent past, may sabihin natin, stubborn ng energy ng ating masculine. Pinagpatuloy niya ang kanyang mga gawain. Alright. So, prayers and manifestation, sabi ng ating mga Aries, Lord, sabi niya ba sa ikaw, observe ka lang, antay-antay ka lang ng good news. Sabi mo sana wala ka nang mabalitaan na hindi maganda, napapagod ka na rin. Right now, sabi ng mga Aries, meron kang hinihintay na good news, good outcome, communication, kontrata, pirmahan sa trabaho, relasyon, family. But I feel hindi agad to maaayos. Okay? You're thinking of communication, pero naisip mo, baka hayaan mo na lang na kusang dumating sa'yo yung good news na to, good outcome, kontrata, pag-uusap, apology. Okay? Your person. Your person has the energy of like, parang fixed na, no? Na parang, para sa kanya, wala nang dapat baguhin sa sitwasyon. Trying to move forward, trying to stay away. May mga connections na hindi para sa atin and you have to let these connections go. Napapagod na rin ng tao na to because wala daw pagbabago. Kaya sabi niya, emotional distance, emotionally withdrawing from the connection. Ayaw na rin niyang mag-overthink, okay? May mga bagay na kailangan lang ng rest at may mga bagay na kailangan na talagang to say goodbye to, okay? So, meron kang mga doubts kung makukuha mo pa yung pag-ibig na gusto mo. Okay? Na parang meron kang definition ng sabi mo, Lord, gusto mo yung ganitong klaseng love. Okay? And you're praying na sana dumating na tong love na gusto mo. At pag dumating to, sabi mo, ikikip mo na. At sabi mo, pag ikaw nagmahal, buo. Kaya pag dumating yung pinagpe-pray mo na love na gusto mo, sabi mo, Lord, magkakaroon dito ng equal give and take. Okay? Gagawin mo yung lahat. So, to have the courage to do yung mga manifestation mo, carnelian bracelet, this is also for good luck, the orange crystal. Marami kang iniisip about your own financial stability. Ingat sa pagpapautang, baka this is like investment or pautang or tataya ka ko sa kung anuman na maaaring hindi maging maganda ang outcome. But kung ano man yung mga maaaring mangyari, charge it to experience, pero kung hanggat pwedeng calculated risk at maiwasan mo ang like, yung potential loss, maiwasan yung potential loss, wag basta-basta susugal or magpapautang, okay? Sa hindi sigurado. There's an energy here of like, you feel na parang hindi ganun kadali kumitan ng pera. Sabi mo ang unfair, bakit yung isang tao sobra-sobrang blessed, okay? Aries, I feel, no, may kanya-kanya tayong chapter of blessing and chapter of test ng universe. Be happy for other people na nabe-bless sila kasi darating din ang harvest time. Tuloy. Okay. This is an Aries energy. There's also a masculine energy here na parang kailangan niyang mag-decide whether to stay or to go, whether to make another bold move or not, whether to wait or to make a move, okay? But I feel until the end of the year, this is like antayan kung sino unang gagawa ng move. But I feel wala naman akong nakikitang complete collapse ng relationship or complete detachment. It's like, hahayaan nyo muna yung sitwasyon na lumamig and to wait as the dust settles. Meron kang hinihintay na love offer, apology na maaaring hindi pa dumating. Kung ano man yung iniisip mo na sana maareglo, maayos, makuha na kontrata, mapirmahan, good offer, trabaho man yan, or like relationship, maaaring wala pa. Parehong nasa limbo kayong dalawa to decide whether to say yes to this or not. Meron ding energy nung kasal na parang pinoproblema yung pera. For some of you, nagsasama para sa pera. For some of you, parang iniisip nyo kung tama ba talagang tapusin na tong kasal na to kasi parang wala na namang patutunguhang maganda. But I feel until the end of the year, kahit kumbaga, this is like evaluation period. Kung gusto nyo pang ituloy ang relasyon na to, evaluation period kung itutuloy pa ang relasyon na to or not. Okay? May mga bagay na hindi pwedeng madaliin. And I feel until the end of the year, that would be like enough. For some of you, you might need more time to decide on this. But for most of you, I feel really this is like a goodbye. Nahahayaan nyo muna, nahahayaan nyo na to walk away, nahayaan nyo nang mag-walk away tong person or hahayaan na kayo ng person nyo to walk away at tapusin na ang pagsasama tong kasal na to, relationship na to. Okay? It feels like parang nagkakaintindihan kayo na mahirap nang ayusin, may mga bagay nang hindi na maibabalik sa dati and you have to accept it is what it is. Wala na fall out, wala nang fix. That's it. For some of you, baka i-ghost nyo na lang yung isa't isa. But for some of you na may mga aayusin tungkol sa bata, properties, baka sa court na lang kayo mag-usap with the Justice card. Alrighty? I pray na makagawa ng tamang decision sa pag-ibig. Okay? And yun, mental clarity, amethyst, grounding of emotion, Madagascar, black tourmaline. Okay? I'm praying na maging mas maganda ang ating bonus reading, alrighty? And that would be the Aries reading for the month of November. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Aries. Happy Halloween!